Hello guys, welcome back with another video, and today we are going to learn how to clone a web page in simple HTML CSS and how to clone a basically web page. So first thing is that this is our cloned web page which we are going to learn today and see how that it works. And it's actually a 404 page. So this is some CSS and this is the HTML of this page, and I'll show you how to make that page. So firstly I show you it's a 404 error page. So now it works fine, and a 404 HTML page, and let's get started. So I created a folder 404 clone page, and then I open the folder in VS Code. So I open that page in my VS Code. Is that so actually I'm closing that window. So this is my brand new folder. So firstly I create a index.html page, and the other one is style.css. If you want to make a folder, create asset folder and style folder, which you want to do. So this is my page, and I randomly searched on Google. So this is the code I embedded or cloned that page from CodePen. So this is our HTML. So I copy the HTML and then go to my HTML file and write HTML5. So this is my template, and edit 404 error page. So in body paste that code. Alright, I pasted that code. You have no need to remove anything. If you want to do or customize anything, you can easily do that. So it's a page not found, it's page not found, and we wrote 404, and sorry, the page isn't found here, link below. So at the last, so after that paragraph you can also change the text of that paragraph, and this is our style file. So I copy that style and paste that in my CSS file. So save it, and when we go to open that page like this, so look at this, the HTML is not working fine. So what's the reason behind that is we don't link our HTML to this file. So link style sheet is for CSS, and in href, if you created a folder like asset folder, place asset and slash your file name. Otherwise I'm not created any folder. So style.css, and boom. So the page is working fine, and hope you guys enjoy that video. See that home page button. So if you want to do, just place the link. If you are using Laravel, place the route here. Otherwise you place any other link, so that link goes to that button. Alright, So this is, guys, this is our final product. Hope you guys enjoy that video, and give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.